Hi, my name is Lokesh and I'm a math teacher, and I've done a lot of videos on math in YouTube, and my YouTube channel name is Tutor Lokesh and I'm famously known as Tutor Lokesh. I've uploaded more than 1,000 videos related to math in my channel. I've been teaching math from past 7 years. I've been teaching math of grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, and I've been preparing students for JEE exams, and I've been cracked JEE exam in 2021 with more than 95 percentile. And coming to my background, I've studied my engineering in MBU, and I've got a second gold medalist with a distinction of 83% in my engineering. And also, before my engineering, I've cracked AIEEE exam, which is now known as JEE mains exam, and I've secured all India rank of 6,000. And in counseling, I got NIT Roorkela. So I've been qualified for NITs and IITs, and I've done my BTech and MBA, and I've been teaching math for the last 7 years. I've been more passionate about teaching math. I've been preparing students for JEE kind of examinations, and also for the students who are preparing for GRE to go to US or UK to pursue their MS. So they have to clear JRE exam, and the same way students who are now in USC and UK, they have to write SAT exam to pursue their UG program. So I've been giving coaching for both SAT and GRE kind of exams, and my way of teaching math is very different from normal traditional way of teaching. So I focus more on queuing than helping complete it to a student. So I'll be queuing them, so I'll be just supporting them, and I'll teach math in a very different way of telling them where will we can apply all these maths. So so I know math is applied in different programming languages. I've been teaching Python. I've been a data science expert. I know how to apply the maths in real life probability and statistics problems, and I've been a data science expert, so I know where it is used in softwares like Tableau and Microsoft Power BI, and moreover in Excel. So well, I can relate all these examples to students, so where this will be used, and I will generate curiosity to students to why math is important not only for the exam but in the real life also. So that's what make me different, and people enjoy to learn my kind of teaching. uh, so that's what make me immense pleasure to teach math, and so that's right. That's Thank you.